In this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable sound for the system on your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate to the settings button, which is located in the top right corner of our screen. Now press OK, and from here scroll all the way down to the device preferences. Press OK, and now navigate to the sound. Click on it and you'll be able to find system sounds. Now in order to disable it, click on it and it will turn gray, that means it's disabled, and if you press on it again it will turn blue, and that means it's enabled. So what it does is, right now when I scroll around, you can hear like a bloop sound, and if you disable it, there won't be any sound anymore. But that works for many things as well, not only this sound, but any other system sounds. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.